love that there's no wind. Oh, you look so cool. Oh, the sun has come up. No wind, so time to throw this. Hopefully nobody will get hurt. Ready? And oh, we went behind the bush.
Good job.
Yeah.
Eat again.
Darling, let's eat.
Bon appetit.
I want to add two.
Duo?
Two.
Two now.
So the rest is too sweet for me.
Fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
Pantera.
Talk to me.
Poor guy.
And tell me all that you've seen, all the colors.
That's our morning.
Oh my god. No. This is not gonna go anywhere.
Every morning. She's enjoying the sun. I cook everything. Exactly like this cat. This cat can confirm. This guy is every morning in our van. He can confirm everything. Yes, love?
Go. Your milk is boiling, darling.
Oh shit!
See how it cooks?
Oh! Just right in time. We'll be the first. Okay, kids. Here are they. Hey.
Come here. Okay, you be the one.
That's sure something I could use.
Come here. Here. Yeah. Stop moving. He's the
for
youngest
the air
one.
conditioned
Oh, sheesh. Yeah. Uh-oh.
could use some too.
Coffee's gone.
A little bit of sunlight.
Huh?
By the way, we can try it. It's from my hometown.
Okay, okay.
Yuck,
Ah!
Yee!
I think with milk it's chocolate tasty. It's a lot.
What the heck is that?
Milk is over.